I've found out that we came into this world with just two fears. The fear of falling down and the fear of loud noises. Any other thing that we know right now, we learned. I don't want to say that your reason for not putting out yourself out there or sharing some content. If I say it that way, it looks very selfish. So your reason for not wanting to help somebody out there, because that is what you're going to do when you start creating content. You're going to help. It's because of fear. I don't want to say that. I don't want to say it's fear. There's a big factor of fear in there. Fear that is holding you back and not allowing you to come out there, impact the world, and help a life. Don't try to look for a strategy. Don't try to find what's the best way I can do this. Don't try to do all of that. I just need you to do one thing. Start until you become comfortable listening to your voice. I just recall first time I made a first YouTube video and I listened to myself. When I was editing it, I just couldn't edit it because I was like, is that how I sound? And even now, when I still listen to some of my videos, now I don't cringe as I used to, because I've gotten used to my voice. I mean, people know my voice too, and I also do. That was a learning curve, and I got used to it. I'm saying once again that you have to start, because it's not for you that you are doing this. It's not for you that you are doing this. It's for the world, and for that person whose life is going to be touched and inspired because you decided to do that. You decided to come and share your experiences and be visible. Make somebody in this world know that, hey, it's not only you. I'm also going through this. You are the light of this world. Nobody lights up a candle and puts that candle underneath a mattress. Nobody does that. Anytime somebody walks to light up a candle, it's because there is darkness first of all, and also because the person wants to see. The person wants the light to shine so bright so that they can be able to find their way. You are that light. You are that light. You have to shine. You have to illuminate the lives of people. You have to shine so bright that somebody can take an inspiration from you. That is who you are. God has made you special. You ought to shine for the world to see and see you and say, glory to God.